Let's take a look at one more. Here's the S&P 500, 3-minute, 9-minute, great for day trading. Option traders love this, or day traders. Let's take a look. Got a blue bar with a blue dot. The black line is the start, the 9:30 New York Open. Blue bar says to buy it, but obviously red dots say don't even think about it. So that's a no trade zone. Red bar, red dots come in here, but you're just way too far from the red dot. And we talk about, again, when you're not sure, wait for the sweet spot. Well, you had yourself an absolutely perfect classic sweet spot. It just doesn't get any better than this. It just doesn't come any lower risk with a higher profit potential. And it was a big winner today. So we had a fantastic day today, day trading the S&P. Blue, red bar, red 3-minute, red 9-minute, triple confirmation, no blue dots below. Bars go from green to red, close to the red dot. I mean, it's just got everything we look for. That chart is just screaming at you right there to sell it short or buy puts if you're an option trader. And boy, did it shoot down very quickly right after that. And there was some big money to be made here using the AbleTrend signals. We always take profit if the prices close or even touch the bottom band. So if you're a multiple lot trader, like many clients that I speak to trade many contracts who use AbleTrend every day, well, you're definitely going to take one contract off there, one off there, and we're completely out of the trade here because we're stopped out. Previous higher row of red dots were stopped out, but that was a real nice trade there. Picked up a lot of money. No trade here, even though the blue bar says to buy it. The red dot says don't do it. And look how the prices go right to the red dots about 5 times and stop. It's like, wow, there really was a hidden resistance point there because the prices just abruptly stopped right at the red dot, like you were just walking into a wall and just come to a complete stop. And we started those dots a half an hour, actually an hour before that even happened. Like, wow, AbleTrend algorithm nailed that one to the penny. Absolutely perfect. No trade. Another short signal comes in over here, either shorting it or buying puts. If you're an option trader, we're shorting it right here. And notice the signal gets you in before the big down move. And we picked up another bunch of money right over here. Big time move right there. Stopped and completely out of the trade here on the blue bar with the blue dot. So nice looking trade right there. Another winning signal. No trade here is too risky because of the red dots. And you can see the prices went up to the red dots and took about a half an hour before, a couple minutes before the close, it finally did break above it. But it was too late. So we weren't into that trade. And again, the software kept us out of the tricky trades. It kept us away, kept us from trading on false signals. It kept us from trading when the markets are going to be very sideways and choppy. It's just amazing how this guidance chart is just so helpful to identify when not to trade because the markets are going to just be too choppy or too unpredictable, and we're just not going to put up money up. We just got too many clients, collectively trading millions of dollars, and we don't want to see people lose, obviously. We got our own skin in the game here. We don't want to lose either. So when you have any combination of red and blue, we're just going to stay away and not trade. And I'll put this indicator up against any other indicator in the world, this guidance chart, because when every other indicator is getting beat up in a choppy market, that's when you really see the value in AbleTrend. There'll be much less trading than every other indicator. We'll just sit on the sidelines because it's just as important to be patient and disciplined and know when not to trade as knowing when the right time to trade is. And that risk reward has to be in our favor, or we'll just simply do nothing. It's better to do nothing than to just trade just because you have nothing to do and you're bored, or you're going to take chances. Now we'll take our chances in the casino. When it comes to trading, this is a business to many of our clients. So we're gonna treat it that way. We're gonna be very serious about our trading. So this is how we use it. This is what works best. Again, AUG, AUG, short for August, which tomorrow is the last day of August, 99 for the discounted half price trial, and then it goes back to normal price. So it's a real simple system, as you can see. Once somebody shows you how to use it, wow, it's actually quite simple. No trade zone here, no trade zone there. It's a good thing we didn't, because those trades would not have worked out. Well, let everybody else take chances and lose, and other indicators, signal to get in at that time. Our guidance chart, putting the 2 time frames together, says, no, don't do it. There's too much risk in the trade. We definitely take profits when we hit the bottom band, when we're long, or the upper band when we're bottom band when we're short, upper band when we're long. We use those as profit targets, but just pieces of trades we take off. And you're going to have the odds in your favor. This is what makes it so popular and well-liked all these years. But again, it's not perfect. I'll guarantee there'll be some losing trades. I don't in any way ever want to paint any unrealistic expectations or mislead anyone, because I wouldn't want somebody to do that to me. So you get great support here. We're always here all day long to help. I'm here a good 9 hours a day. Feel free to call, email. And very important for anybody who is on a trial right now, or if you just first get one, definitely schedule something with me or call in, and I'll gladly do the free one-on-one trading session with you. We'll look at the markets live, connect your computers together, and it's much easier when I'm talking one-on-one than in a room full of people like we are right now. So and I can even show you some extra little things too. So definitely, it's well worth doing the one-on-one trading session, because I want you to get your full money's worth out of the trial and knowing exactly when to trade and when not to trade. So good stuff. I think you like what you see here. Thanks everybody for being here. I hope that I was helpful for you. And again, stay in touch. I'm always here to help.